Meaning of Elizabeth Barrett Browning.
Elizabeth Barrett Browning.
Elizabeth Barrett Browning.
Elizabeth Barrett Browning.
Elizabeth Barrett Browning. Elizabeth Barrett Browning was an English poet of the Victorian era who wrote love poems, political poetry, and religious works. Her most famous piece is Sonnets from the Portuguese, which includes the well-known line, "How do I love thee? Let me count the ways." She was a prominent figure in the literary world during her time and challenged societal norms through her writing. Barrett Browning's work continues to be celebrated today as a significant contribution to English literature.